Hi, I'm Kevin Poole, and this is the Regular Guy Food Channel. So, I've noticed that many guys don't have a lot of experience cooking, so they kind of default to going out for fast food or pizza, frozen pizza, processed food like TV dinners and frozen burritos. So, I started this channel because I really enjoy cooking and I wanted to give you some delicious, simple, fast, and yes, sometimes healthy dishes that you can really sink your teeth into. So I'll continue to add new videos showing some great eats that are super easy for you to make. So thanks for stopping by. Enjoy the videos. Be sure to click the subscribe button below and leave me a comment. And don't forget, stay regular.